And finally, we have a recurrent payment solution. This solution is very useful if you have a business that requires a recurrent payment solution. So I'm going to set up a demo recurring plan here, the description for the demo recurring plan. I can set up the frequency. I'm going to do it monthly, which is very normal. I can set up the currency here. Select the integrations. This is the one that I just did for the demo for Powertranz. I can set up a setup amount. So for example, I want to charge my users $50 to set it up initially. And we do one attempt per day. So I can choose how many days are going to be attempted to retry a user that their card is denied. So I set up how much I want to charge my users per month, $100. So I can also allow different modalities. So if I want to add, gold is $100 and silver is 90 and bronze is $8. I can also choose to allow a free trial if I want users to have whatever amount of days they want to use for a free trial. I can also set up some optional data. If I want to limit this plan to a specific amount of renewals, if I want to end it on a specific date. Also, I can add specific URLs, a thank you URL or a canceling URL. This is optional. It's obviously embedded with all the codes if you want to use it to connect to an external system. And also we have a set of webhooks for these 5 events that we have: registration, payment made, payment rejected, unsubscriber reactivation. And all these payment hooks, if whatever you set up here as a URL, you're going to be receiving this information that we set up right here on the little information icon whenever one of these events are kicked off for this specific plan. So it's very easy to integrate to external systems. So I'm going to add this plan. Again, the same sharing language here. You're going to see the recurrent payment plan for Powertranz with the logo that we set up here, the demo recurrent plan title that we did, the demo description for the plan. All the options that we have set up previously, gold, silver, and bronze, are set up here. And the activation cost that we set up. This could be 0, but I set it up as 50. So if I choose the bronze plan and the activation cost, I'm going to have to be paying $130 specifically. I can, once I enter my email, I can see all my pre-saved cards or add another card here. This time we don't give the option for users to not store their card because it's for a recurring plan. So if the user wants to sign up, we need to store the card. So that's why this is kind of a different language right here. And we also have coupons. Let me show you real quick how those coupons work. Before I go into coupons, there's a list of subscribers. There's a whole bunch of tools that you can use for a subscriber. Markup payment is made, advance payment, retry payment right there. So anything that we can do regarding payment, pause the subscription, change the date, change the amount. You can do all that with your subscribers. And also you can create coupons. You can create a coupon with a code or coupon with a BIN number. If you want to use a coupon with specific cards, you can do that. Or if you want to do it with specific coupons, you can add a coupon right here. I'm going to do this for all registered users. It's going to be a percentage, a 10% discount for anyone that signs up. I'm going to set up an end date for this coupon. It's going to be May 2026. This coupon is going to be used for 10 different users, and the number of valid renewals. That means how many times the discount is going to be applied on the frequency. So if I have a monthly frequency and I set up here 6, this user is going to get a 10% discount for 6 straight months. So every month you're going to get a 10% discount, and then on month 7 you're going to get 100% charge of whatever was set up for this plan. And also I can limit the amount of times that the same user can use this coupon. So it's usually 1 per user. This is the coupon code that we have. So if I go back, let me store this coupon code. If I go back to recurrent plans, I'm going to go into this recurrent plan. Load it up right here again. Get off my plan here. And fill out the coupon. If I apply it right here, there's a 10% discount that's going to be applied. You can see the discount applied right here. And that's how coupons work.